This is what the door handle looks like. The peephole cover, the plunger pin, which serves to lock and release the cap, extend the handle to the fully released position. I'm only using a rubber block here because I'm also handling a camera. And pull the plunger towards you to release the cap. Pry the cap out with a small screwdriver. The handle will remain in the extended position. Then pull the handle back and towards you to remove it. To reinstall, first insert the toe, then the heel into the release lever. Press in the cap, then press in the plunger. It seems to be helpful to hold a little pressure on the cap before pressing the plunger in. Hey, it works! Now, if you've removed the handle incorrectly, I'm going to mimic how to reset it for proper installation. To reset the release lever, pull out with a hook tool. Then pull out on the plunger to lock it open. And from another angle, there. Now just replace the handle as shown earlier in the video. Toe first, then heel, then the cap, then the plunger, and you're done. Procedure for the rear door is exactly the same, only first remove the weather strip to reveal the access hole for the locking pin. It's just inside the door edge, level with the handle.